Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 50% off on Databricks certification 2026. We'll go through the step-by-step process to get a 50% off on Databricks certification, and event duration is 15 June to 6th of July 2026, and Databricks has officially launched the Advanced Learning Festival 2026, and imaging opportunity to upgrade your AI, machine learning, data engineering, Apache Spark, Analytics, and Generative AI skills with the earning exclusive reward. So complete at least one eligible learning pathway during the event period and get 50% off on any database certification, 20% off on database academy labs subscription, and access to expert learning support, career growth in AI and data engineering. So available learning pathway is the associate data engineering, professional data engineering, data analytics, associate ML practitioner, professional ML practitioner, generative AI engineering, Apache Spark developer, and data warehouse and practitioner. So important eligibility criteria is that complete all the modules within the at least one pathway and finish course between 15 June to 6th of July 2026. Ensure every course selection should be introductions is marked completed. So voucher details is that 50% certification voucher valid is 6th of October 2026. Only one voucher per learner and applicable on any database certification exam. So FAQs cover in this video how to enroll in Databricks Learning Festival, how to track course completion, who can participate, and voucher validity and benefits, Databricks Academy login support, and labs subscription discount detail. So official event link is this one. So don't miss this limited time chance to become database certified with a massive 50% off discount. So let me open this URL. It's working. Okay. So now Advanced Learning Festival 15 June to 6th of July 2026. So database other details are there. So mark your calendar 15 June to 6th of 2026. It will start and end time. It will give you all the details. So join us in the 3-week event dedicated to learning, upskilling, and advancing your career in data engineering, analytics, machine learning, and generative AI. So all the details and main we will concentrate on the 50% discount on any Databricks certification and 20% discount of yearly Databricks Academy Lab subscription. So other details are there. This is the pathway and title and modules. So there is a 8 pathways there. So you have to complete one of this, and there is a FAQ page. So now FAQ for the learning festival 15 June to 6th of July 2026, and all the questions regarding your query you can go through this. Who can attend database learning festival? This is virtual. This is open to database customer academy users. Please note that initiate not open to user of database partner academy. So what training offer in the part of the Databricks Learning Festival and all the details you can go. And this is what is the requirement to qualify 50% Databricks certification voucher and 20% discount on the coupon for Databricks Academy Lab. So 50% off of the voucher worth of US dollar 100 and 20% discount of lab. So all the details. So any of the database certification listed here. So these are the certification. So data engineering, ML, generative AI, and custom additional certification and data analytics. So all the certifications are listed here. So in this video, we have learned how to get 50% off on Database Certification 2026 Free Learning Festival for AI ML Data Engineering for the Databricks. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this, and all trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them in the comment box, and you can like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.